Bernice Saroni n'ũrĩa ũrarĩ promoter na manager wa Samido during his Mugithi tour in USA nĩacakaĩte na ruo rũingĩ mũno the loss of her loved one. Ndeto iria arauga were the most sad news she has ever received in her entire life, na akauga ona rĩrĩa amũkĩrire ndeto cia gĩkuũ gĩake eciragia atĩ nĩ mũndũ ũramũthakĩra, someone is trying to prank her, only for her to realize that it is actually true that she is no longer alive. Na akauga ma nĩ ũhoro wa kĩeha mũno kuona atĩ ona Christmas ĩno ndĩgũkorwo ĩ ya gĩkeno ona hanini kũrĩ ke na famĩlĩ yake, kuona atĩ mwendwa wao ũrĩa augĩte ona nĩ cũcũ wao ndarĩ ho makenanĩre nake Christmas ĩno, na nĩakorwo akĩingĩra nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria and penned this painful tribute kũrĩ cũcũ wao, na oho akera andũ othe rĩrĩa mũciari waku e muoyo, give them their flowers, celebrate them, enjoy them when they are still alive, cause tomorrow is not promised. That is what she shared akiuga 6 months ago a day like today, I received news that you are no more. It was the most painful news in my life. I thought it was a prank, but it was real, cause you have never come back. No, it's 6 months since you went to be with the Lord. I'm not excited about this Christmas because it is just very painful to accept. You're not going to be here with us. If you have your parent, give them their flowers when they are alive. Tomorrow is not promised. Hashtag God's planned. Hashtag Christmas tomorrow. Na acoka agĩkorwo agĩshare mbica ici, her memories with her shosho when she was still alive. Na oho she shared another post akĩhoya atĩ if only there was a phone in heaven agĩe tu kanya ga kwarĩria cũcũ wao, akiuga I wish there was a phone in heaven. And then she shared this sad video here kuma kũrĩ TikTok yake with a caption that read, death is very cruel, I'm broken. Na may her shosho continue resting in peace. She passed on this year May 23rd. Na Bernice Saroni arauga nginya ũmũthĩ ũyũ ndarĩ ahota gwĩtĩkĩra na ruo rũrĩ oho, the pain is still fresh. No akiuga ndekũkĩũria Ngai kĩũria na tũkamwendithĩria kũhona, and may God give her strength to get through this. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.